Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Polkadot from Bitmart to Exmo in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your Polkadot tokens seamlessly between exchanges, this guide is perfect for you. It's straightforward, safe, and updated for the latest 2025 protocols, so let's dive right in. First off, why do this? Maybe you're looking to trade on Exmo or just diversify your holdings. Whatever the reason, transferring crypto can be simple if you follow the steps carefully. Before we start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Bitmart and Exmo, and that you have some Polkadot in your Bitmart wallet. Also, double-check for any network updates in 2025, as fees or requirements might have changed. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section and select Polkadot from your list of holdings. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button for Polkadot. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Exmo account, go to the Deposit section, and copy your Polkadot wallet address. Paste it carefully into Bitmart to avoid any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to send. Be mindful of minimum withdrawal limits and any transaction fees, which could be around 0.1% in 2025. Always check the current rates. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already for an extra layer of security. Step 4. Review all the details one last time. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes 5 to 30 minutes, depending on network congestion, but keep an eye on it. After the transfer, log back into Exmo and check your wallet to confirm the Polkadot has arrived. If you run into issues, like delays, contact the exchange support. It's rare, but it happens. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered sending Polkadot from Bitmart to Exmo in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto world. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Stay safe and happy trading. See you next time.